So a few years back, I noticed some dripping coming from the upstairs bathroom, and we didn't call a repairman right away. In fact, by the time the repairman did show up, we were informed that, hey, you waited too long, the damage is too severe, you're going to have to remodel the entire bathroom. Our negligence cost us thousands of dollars in repair. And ever since then, I've been thinking a lot on the principle of maintenance versus repair. And it's easy to see this in some parts of our life. It's easy to see this around our oral hygiene, right? And our dental bills. It's easy to see this around our car maintenance if we really want our car to work well for us. But oftentimes we overlook maintaining our mental and emotional health and maintaining our relationships. Maintenance is always better than repair. And yes, you can always make a repair, but why wait until it gets to that point? Start now maintaining those things. Oftentimes we think, oh, I'll just kick the can down the road. It's fine. This can wait a week, a month, a year. No big deal. But during that time, we're actually increasing the rot and the distress. Maintenance is always better than repair. If you want to learn more, come and listen to episode 44 on my podcast, In Work with MaryAnn Walker. I'll see you there.